I'm standing here with a lumberjack pirate. I found him here. I picked him up. Arr. Now, I remember 2 years ago they were very late starting this show, so I may have to turn this off.
So that may make me like Lumberjack Sparrow.
Okay, that was really clever. Lumberjack Sparrow, yes. And now I am blurry, which is a sign it's going to start any second now. Come on, autofocus. Stay on. I hear music.
I guess kind of like those.
Sounds too echoey. But there's no music coming out of our speakers over here, so they got the castle off. Here we go. Here we go. This is my... Can you turn your brightness down? Let me turn it down. Turn it way down. Turn it way down. So this is the first time I'm actually taping this on this new phone, which has a lot better detail and clarity and wideness. We'll see. They have big speakers at the front now by the nets that they never had.
Sparkling spirit named Tinkerbell. Legend has it that to this day she still flies over this magical land of fantasy. And the story is told for children of all ages that if you wish hard enough and believe strong enough, Tinkerbell will soar high above the magic kingdom and light our fantasy in the sky.
There we go. You should have the music up louder. Can't hear it over the fireworks. You can fly. We're trying to get the kids in this shot. It's not easy. Now we are a little bit further down the beach than normal, so the castle is behind the trees. So we're not actually seeing the castle. Come on. Can we please focus? The wind is going all the way to the right. It's great. focus will not stay. It keeps going in and out. I don't know what's about. I'm gonna quickly wipe my lens real quick. I think the condensation is blocking it. Gonna love on videotaping because they're walking. It's so cute, all kids. Wow. Here comes the countdown. That cool formation of smoke. Wow.
This is it. Start the countdown clock. Alrighty, Mickey. Starting the countdown clock. Okay, everybody. It's time to start counting down to the new year. Are you ready? Okay, then. Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Oh my God, they're doing it all around. Yes! Woo! Happy Faux New Year! Old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot memories of old lang syne. Old lang syne, my dear. Old lang syne. We'll drink a cup of kindness, dear, for old lang syne. This is what he sounds nuts. Did you hear that? Here they come. Oh my God, they're doing it. 100 of them at once. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited they actually did it. Oh yes, for the first time in 2 years. That was awesome. The one thing I would have wanted them to do is just make it a little bit louder, but this is, they always have it too, it's funny, they always have them really loud. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year. Mwah. We'll do it again tomorrow. Happy not New Year, that's right. Happy faux New Year. Let's go a little bit forward.
Oh, my butt.
I still want to get the smoke. It's funny because usually they have it so loud it's distorted on normal nights, and then they have it really quiet now. It's kind of weird. Let's, I'm going to step down just a little bit. Ow, that was a twisty of the foot. Okay, I want to just be over here and grab that beautiful smoke. Look at that gorgeous formation in the sky. We got blessed again. Oh, look, you guys, what's going on? A couple that were left over, I guess.
Probably didn't go off.
It was called the dessert. This is a little exclamation point. Oh, I hate it when my camera blurs like that. All right, so let's turn this on. We'll turn it on again. Oh, come on. Something about putting this in Chris's pocket that it just does not like.